In this video, I'm going to show you how to create scrolling end credits in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut and create a new project. And then I want to add some text, so I'm going to click on text, add text. And now I want the scrolling end credits to be about 20 seconds in length, so I'm going to zoom out, drag this slider all the way across to about 20-second mark. And now we need to give this text some content. So I've got some end credits in a notepad here, but it is actually too big to fit all on one page. So what I'm going to do is just copy half of this from about there, Control C, come back to CapCut. It says default text, add in that Control A, Control V. But you can see this is quite large, so now I want to change the font size to about 5. Now it fits the whole page. If I press play, it's just stationary at the moment, but we want this to scroll from the bottom to the top. So in order to do that, I want to move this slider to the left. Click on the text. And now I want to move this text all the way to the bottom, so I can only see just the first sentence or the first line. And then I want to position and size this, so scroll down a bit and add a keyframe. And now I want to drag this slider to about a 10-second mark. And then I want to drag this all the way to the top, like so. So you can see, so you don't see any text. Then I want to add another keyframe. So as you can see, it's moving bottom to top. So if I go ahead and press play, these end credits are coming along, but we need to add the second part here. So I want to pause this. Now I want to move this slider to about there, or about there, I reckon. Now from here, I want to click on this text, Control C and then Control V, and drag this slider so it meets that line there. And now we want to paste in the other half on the top right. So I'm going to go back to my text document, Control C, come back here, Control A, make sure we got the top highlighted. And now I want to press Control V. So if I go ahead and press play on these end credits, you'll see it all line up. So yeah, that's it guys, how to add or create scrolling end credits in your CapCut PC.